Hashtag fast guy.
Maybe. Hashtag maybe.
Right on, brother. Good luck, man. Alright, again, I apologize for the wind. I hope you can hear me okay. Sean Kelly. Lap number 1. Session number 1. This course is big and fast. 4 straights. This first one right here, and then this second one he's on right now. There's a bump in the braking zone in that straightaway. Then we get a little bit technical here. This one you got to get up a little bit on the corner entry, but another straightaway. This course is modeled after the F1 track in Bahrain. Oh, got a course worker out there. All right, he just got out of the way. All right, so there's 3 technical sessions. He just went through the second. This is the big straightaway right here. But right there, the braking zone is kind of a little bit of a left-hander. So I have a feeling there's going to be some DNFs there today. Oh, this is a real good first lap. 54.3. Let's go see what he's got to say. All right, man, after lap 1, what do you think?
Good. Felt a lot better. 54 on the first lap.
Yeah, it definitely looked good.
Yeah, it felt good.
This course is going to be a warming up to course.
Yeah, that and yeah, I get the tires warm. We knew it. Oh yeah.
All right, well, speaking of warmth, yeah, go put some in it. Lap number 2, Mr. Kelly. Here we go. Alright, already looking to improve on a 54.3. I did not see what Michael Williams already ran though, so I don't know if the bar has been raised or not, but long story short, Sean's going to do his thing and try to learn the improvements to the front end. Look at that turn. Okay, so he's running the new Falcon 660 tires. I think those tires are going to be fantastic this weekend. They're definitely going to be better second and third lap. Temperature's just about right where I don't think we're going to have to put any water on them. Okay, so that little left right-hander, I think that just cost him a little bit there. But still a big improvement, 53.6. Alright, fast guys out on course right now. Got Michael Williams, Sean Kelly. Got a couple more of them rancheros ready to run. Michael's looking to pick up on a 53.8. Sean's looking to go better than a 53.6. Yeah. Alright, so Michael does improve. 53.7. That is, I believe, still good for first in Truck Pro. But it's always bragging rights between Sean and Michael as to who's the fastest. So Sean said that the tire pressures were a little bit out after that last run, so he just dropped them down. Getting those Falcon 660s. Yeah, it's a good lap. Alright, so he backed up that 53.6 from earlier, 53.7. So I'm currently sitting in first. Alright, here we go. Truck class. Wes Strelishak driving his old Apache, now owned by Pat Sheely. He's gonna improve right here. 54.0 is his quickest. He's looking for mid 53s right now. This is gonna be it. Just bumped into the first position. 53.3 to overcome Sean. Great lap. Alright, so Michael does improve. 53.7. That is, I believe, still good for first in Truck Pro. But it's always bragging rights between Sean and Michael as to who's the fastest. So Second session for the trucks. Sean Kelly sitting in second right now with that 53.6. This is the first lap in this second session. Wes Drelishak threw down a 53.3. Sean just knocked down a 53.9 on his first lap. So we think the course is getting a little bit quicker right now. So I'm guessing that the pickups might be in the 52s by the end of the day. Jeff Road out on course right now. Jeff's looking to improve on a 56.9. This is his first lap, so getting the tires up to temperature. Got a 58.7. Richard Trujillo here in the other Sheely Ranchero. Cheater pickup. Just gonna go ahead and start a thing. Cheater pickup. Tim from AFR coming through with the Mustang. I apologize, I don't remember offhand what Richard's quickest is. I want to say it was a 54.4. He needs to get in the 53s. Course is a little bit warm now, so tires should be coming around depending on which tires are running. So first lapped out, that is a 55.0. Sean Kelly, that 67 step bed. Sitting in second place with a 53.6. He's got to go bottom 53.3s to keep pace with Wes. 53.2 to keep pace with the pro guys, being Eric Sheely and the Ranchero. It's always good to make a statement when you're running regular truck and you can beat somebody in pro. All right, almost identical times as his quickest from the last session, but he's getting faster, 53.6.8. Okay, two guys out on course right now. Pat Sheely's gorgeous Apache that Wes technically built. Wes driving it. Okay, no improvement, 53.8. Jeff Road in a square body. Wasn't sure if this was his second or third lap here. I believe his second. It's still no improvement, 58.2. And there is the other Sheely pickup today, Richard Trujillo. Also wagging the dog out there.
Looks like we could use
This is going to be an improvement. Now 54.5. Alright, I'm trying to multitask here. Get a couple pictures here in this second session. Lap number 3 for Sean. He's got to go 53.3 or faster. This lap has looked really good. He's pushing it quite a bit harder, but he said that track temps are up, so the tires are getting a little gummy. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a good lap. Oh, another 53.6. Well, he's gonna gain some points just in the simple fact that he's consistent right now and consistently fast. But we definitely need a bottom 53. See if Jeff can improve right now. Still looking to improve on that 56.9 from the first session. 57.6. Almost. Here comes Wes in his, I'll call it his old Apache. I mean, technically it would be old. He He sold it to Pat. It's no longer his. His final lap of this second session. Tom Berry just clicked off at 51.2 in the GT3 RS. Again, not his fastest. I don't know if that's a sign for this group, but we've had some others go faster than they did, Evan namely. Anyways, Wes trying to go quicker than that, 53.3 I believe, and this should do it. 53.256, so still in first in truck, but we got one more session left for those guys. So we need bottom 53s. This is lap 1, final session. I never expect much out of the first lap. I always kind of gauge that as to what's going on for the rest of the session. And a 53.9 first lap out, within 3/10 of his quickest of the day on the first lap. So that actually is a good sign that the course is good. All right, here comes Jeff. I know, we need to talk about a sway bar on the front of this thing. Realistically, we just need to talk about our whole Pro Touring IFS. But I know you guys are on a budget, so yeah, let's figure out a way to adapt one of our big bars onto this thing. The motion ratio on this setup is pretty bad, so it'll take a really big bar. The motion ratio on our front end is a lot better, so it doesn't take as much bar to get it to control. So 58.5 first lap. Alright, Mr. Trujillo. Another San Diego boy. I think he's still holding on to that bottom 54. I don't think he's tickled 53s yet. But long story short, we've got a couple of bottom 53s. Sean with the 53.6. So he's got quite a bit to make up here. Oh, slipping and sliding again. All right, 54.6. All right, Sean, let's go. Lap number 2, final session. Wes has yet to run his final session. He's got a 53.3. 53.6 for Sean is his quickest. He just ran a 53.9 on his first lap. And Eric coming through with another fast lap. No improvement though, 53.3. That's not what we want from Sean right now. We need to have a bottom 53 out of it. Bragging rights and all, but a win would be good. He's got, oh my gosh, oh yeah, get through there. Oh, but he just got a cone. This is gonna be a good lap too. One cone, 53.3. One cone. Okay, just ran over and let Sean know about the cone on that lap. He's got it. This is last lap. He's just got to let it all hang out. Michael did not improve on his second lap. Oh, I thought that was going to be it. All right, so no improvement from Jeff, 57.3. All right, here comes Trujillo. Oh, I don't know how they keep those damn things from spinning. So in spite of that, still goes 54.4. That's crazy. Last lap from Sean. Got to get it done right now. Has to raise the bar. He's in the exact same position I was in Classic Muscle. The fast guy is ahead of him. Still has yet to run. That 53.3 would have been enough to put him in first. Again, Wes still has to run though. And I do believe that Wes is going to go faster this session. So Sean's got to raise the bar. We got to go bottom 53s. Oh my gosh, and Eric's coming through in the finish line right now. There's our first 52 of the truck class right there. 52.96. So there we go. Hey, if the cheater trucks can do it, we can do it. There you go, dude. Yes, get through there again. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be close. Go, 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 go. Yeah! Yeah!
4 cars.
There it is. 53.168. Puts himself into first. Puts all the pressure on Wes. Yes!
Brought out 3 more trucks to add to our truck class, so we got a bunch of trucks in our truck class. And in the truck class, we saw a great battle in its own. It went back and forth. Richard Trujillo was here, hasn't driven in a long time, was driving the Blue Ranchero, did great, finished third. The battle for first in the truck class was between Wes Trelishek in his old Apache and Sean Kelly in his stepside. It was .058, so 58 thousandths of a second, separated first from second. The winner in the truck class was Sean Kelly with a 53.16.
Yeah!
And that was a back and forth battle all day today. Great stuff going on there. Again, 58 thousandths of a second. All right, so 500.